Here my husband is using the Ozeri Green Earth Wok to cook some lo mein noodles for us. And here you can see where he uses our Ozeri electric pepper mill. Now if you watch closely, he's about to dump the noodles. You'll see no scratches on the bottom of the pan from the burner. And then look inside the pan. Not a single thing is stuck to it.